if a person is sharing his data according to his will and need, and now that data is available freely or available to a particular location and that is being processed, तो उसमें sovereignty का concept कैसे लागू होता है?
Debate. If the chair permits me, I will give you your students. बहुत सारा serious discussion हो जाता है तो तकलीफ होती है कि कुछ याद नहीं रहता. So before I answer your question, I have a question for everybody. And if they answer it very honestly, then I can answer your question. How many of you had loose motions recently in your life? So they are very healthy. So none of them had loose motions in their life. किसी को हुआ है? पेट खिसा है किसी का? कोई क्यों हाथ पर नहीं? How many of you? So let me give you one example, which is the truth which happened and from where this concept came to us. There is a place called as Chosala in Haryana, which is near Pipani. And there was a health center being put there by a big multinational company. And we all used medical centers, so 4 ladies entered that room and we were middle-aged women, around 50-55 years. They entered that room. And when they entered, there was a boy who was sitting outside who was not a medical officer but a paramedic or maybe probably the reception, what do you call that, compounder or something. And in a very casual manner he said कि आज मंगलवार है ताकि अब तो डॉक्टर को दिखाने के लिए तो ये दवाई ले लो, पेट ही छुट रहा होगा. लेडीज पर रियली एंग्री लड़के कैसे पता है तुम्हें? तो हर मंगलवार तो आती हो पेट छुटा रहता है तुम्हारा. So they were very angry. They scolded that boy. But when inside, the doctor prescribed the same medicine which he was showing. They took it in. Come the next Tuesday, अब ये डरा हुआ था क्योंकि पिछले मंगलवार को डट पड़ गई थी. When these 4 or 5 ladies entered, he was playing with that tablet in his hand. And now the ladies looked at that particular thing but did not take it. They went inside, came out and took the same medicine because it was prescribed. 3rd week, ये अंदर जाके लोगे कि यहाँ से लेके जाओगे. And the women took it from there. 4th week, 5th week, 6th week. Now it sounds very common that it is my data, your data and all this. But sir, I was on the task force on this and Mohandas Pai was there with me. And the information came that is there a theft of medicine happening? When this information came and we started investigating the information, we said that theft होगा medicine तो कोई 2 रुपए का रोको का tablet की चोरी करेगा. They would rather take medicines which are more expensive or life-saving drugs, which will be brought and sold in the black market. But yet, as the query was raised, fakes were raised, we asked an officer to go and investigate. My dear sir, we saw that there was a real case. Tuesday, these females used to come, they used to have loose motions. So we asked them to investigate what happened. And then to cut the story short, because we had very less time, the medical officers found a non-medical solution to this particular problem. It was Tuesday, sir. Monday, these women would go to Shankar temple. They used to put this water and take a chadran. The temple was contaminated, so they used to get this contamination. What was the solution found out? So the health officer sat down there and the solution was non-medical solution. कि आप मंदिर को साफ करेंगे हर रविवार को ताकि मंडे को चढ़ना मत लेने का जरूरत नहीं हो. And it happened. They cleaned the temple. Every Sunday they clean the temple. So Monday when they pour water, there is nothing which happens. Now we got a non-medical solution on medical. How did we come to know about this, or how did that boy come to know about this Tuesday? That is because the patients were entering something which is called as records. Right? Every time the patient comes, there is a name, right? Leelavati Devi Gujjar entering it. What is the problem? She goes to the doctor writes that the problem is fala, dysentery. What is the recommendation? This is a tablet. So now here, I leave you people, because you are far brighter than me and smarter than me. So there are 2 things. The officer who went for investigation was honest and he could see the data. So he suggested which is non-medical solution. Now just think about here, if a pharma mafia would have entered that system, they would not have shared this data of solving the medical issue with the non-medical. You would have seen advertisements coming in that area कि ये टॉनिक पीने पे पेट साफ नहीं होता, ठीक हो जाता है, तकलीफ नहीं होती है, ये योगा करने पे पला होता है, ये बाबा के पास जाके ताबीज़ पहनने पे पेट साफ नहीं होता है. But data could have been used in both the ways. Because that guy was good, moral, honest, he wanted to serve the nation, he served it in a way where it solved a non-medical issue was solved in a non-medical way. And if the same thing would have gone into somebody's hand, who would have played with this? So I really don't have an answer to your question. If the data is so powerful, it can be used by anyone. So answer is very, very simple. Data sovereignty, the data has to be inside the country. Now, if the data is inside the country, how does it protect us? It only protects us because the owner of the data knows that his neck is under the nose. The law will take care of him someday. Right now, so they take the data, they play with you, and you never know, sir. I'll leave you with one more thing, if the chair permits me. If you go to shop, do you have DMart in Bhopal, sir? DMart? Now, I don't know the demographic of Bhopal, but let me tell you the demographic of Delhi. अगर एक दुकान, एक मालिक के पास दो दुकान होगा तो जनरली उसका एस्टैब्लिशमेंट सेम होगा सर. सर हमारे रेजिमेंट में सेम होता है, बाहर हमारा क्वार्टर मास्टर बैठता है, अंदर हमारा मेजर बैठता है, ये सब सेम होता है. तो जनरली द शॉप्स हैव टू बी इन द सेम वे. यू गो टू लॉयर्स चैम्बर, यू विल फाइंड receptionist there, then the article sitting there, then the senior most counsel sitting inside. But DMart Delhi, we were observing, and there are two things. There is a place called Sarojini Nagar in Delhi. If you go there, you enter the first rack, sir. You find small onions, you find bay leaves, tamarind, इमली बिकती है वहाँ, इमली, तेजपत्ता और प्याज बिकता है. और वहीं से 5 किलोमीटर पे CR पार्क है, चित्रंजन पार्क है. वहाँ DMart में फर्स्ट रैक के अंदर जो है मस्टर्ड बिकता है सर. कहीं पे भी छोटा प्याज नहीं बिकता है, बेलीफ नहीं बिकता है और इमली नहीं बिकती है. How can a same company have a two different kind of displays? It sounds very simple and naive. Investigations told us that they had data about purchasing patterns of the people. Sarojini Nagar is fully with people from Kerala state who eat this particular part, whereas Chindarjan Park is people who come from the southern side of the West Bengal. Now, how did they get the data, sir? So you will say credit card, but credit cards don't have bifurcation of your selling pattern. Credit cards only have amount. वो कहेंगे कि मेजर जनरल कुटोच has purchased 15,000 rupees का सामान, विनीत गोयल का purchase 5,000 rupees का सामान. Where is the bifurcation coming from this? So it is not as simple as to discuss here. The machine which were used as POS, point of sales. So the data was taken out of that when it goes for reconditioning. You know, there is a clause which comes, जूना मशीन को नया लेके जाओ. Have you ever thought वो आपका जूना मशीन क्यों लेके जाएगा? और कोई भी ब्रांड का लेके जाओ, कोई भी ब्रांड का लेके जाओ. What is the love, sir? ये तो possible नहीं होगा. Reason is because they would like to manipulate the buying patterns which are there. And see what is happening is, today if 17 to 18% of our bill, if you ask your parents, is of non-essential items which you buy from these particular shops, because they manipulate your buying habits. So it's a serious issue where health, buying patterns, economical slavery would be forced upon you, because you keep buying things, you have been forced to take medicines which are not otherwise required.